Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Grow with Sakshi and I hope you guys are doing amazing. So the ones who are new to my channel, do subscribe it and press the bell icon beside so you don't miss my upcoming videos. और पहला notification आपको ही आना चाहिए.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, आज मैं आप लोग के लिए लेके आ गई हूँ बहुत ही अमेजिंग हायरिंग वीडियो. So आज हम इस वीडियो में डिस्कस करने वाले हैं मल्टीपल हायरिंग ड्राइव के बारे में फ्रॉम डिफरेंट कंपनीज. सबसे पहले मैं बात करने वाली हूँ डेलॉयट के बारे में. डेलॉयट इज हायरिंग फ्रेशर्स फॉर एप्लीकेशन सिक्योरिटी टेस्टर रोल. इट्स फॉर एनालिस्ट पोजिशन. ठीक है, आगे हम बात कर लेते हैं. जॉब रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी रहने वाली है, पोजीशन समरी. ओके, सो द रोल दे आर हायरिंग फॉर इज एनालिस्ट एंड इट्स फॉर एप्लीकेशन सिक्योरिटी टेस्टर रोल विच इज फॉर डेलॉयट सपोर्ट सर्विसेज इंडिया प्राइवेट लिमिटेड. ओके, let's talk about the responsibilities first. As a part of a global cybersecurity team responsibilities, you will be able to work with customers to deliver technical assessment against a broad range of services. The role is responsible for providing automated application testing services as a part of the shared services organization of our member firms, assisting in technical scoping of security testing activities, executing security testing, static application security testing, dynamic application security testing, iterative application security testing, software composition analysis, VM management, infrastructure activities, DevOps, issue analysis and configuration knowledge, conducting focused research when not deployed on an active project. ठीक है, आप लोग यहाँ पर काफ़ी और भी जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन के बारे में दिया गया है, तो प्लीज़ रीड इट केयरफुली. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द लोकेशन. इट्स फॉर हैदराबाद. लेट्स डिस्कस अबाउट द क्वालिफिकेशन. डिग्री और इक्विवेलेंट एक्सपीरियंस. स्किल्स और एबिलिटीज. एक्सपीरियंस यूजिंग कॉमन टेस्टिंग टूल्स लाइक फोर्टिफाई, स्टैटिक कोड एनालाइजर एंड वेब इंस्पेक्ट, Contrast, Assess and Scan, Burp, App, Postman, Swagger, and MAP, SQL Map and others. Static application software testing, dynamic application testing, okay, application security top 10, API security top 10, thick client top 10. Okay, these are the technology you should be familiar with. You should have a good understanding of C hash, Java or JavaScript. You have good understanding of infrastructure, Azure cloud. So then there is preferred education qualification also. If you have certificate of certified ethical hacker, then you will be preferred. Okay, मतलब आपका shortlist होने के chances ज़्यादा होंगे. Offensive certified security professional, any GIAC certification which is GSEC, GWAB, GPEN, GMOB and GCPN. So guys, ये आप अच्छे से जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन पढ़ लीजिएगा. ये जितना मुझे दिख रहा है काइंड ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस रोल भी है, बट स्टिल यू हैव काइंड ऑफ नॉलेज ऑन दिस रोल and knowledge of these technologies. Please do apply. So the next hiring is again from Deloitte and they are hiring for associate analyst or analyst role. The role is admin shared services USI. So जो hiring है it's from Deloitte USI and the location they are hiring for is Hyderabad, Telangana. Let's discuss about the position summary. It's for CBS engagement support analyst, Deloitte Support Services India Private Limited. Okay, let's see the work you will be doing. Work on assigned WS creation, request, process and validate request ensuring all criteria has been met. Lies with finance team and various teams to obtain proper approvals when required for WBS creations. Update required status reports on daily basis. Enter data accurately to work effectively under pressure while prioritizing the workload. Deal with all levels with the organization. Graduate from any of the background which is BA, BCom, BSc. 6 months to 2 years of work experience is allowed. Worked in fast-paced environment. Now coming to the work location and shift timings. Work location is Hyderabad in office. It's a hybrid work model they are following, which means 2 days, minimum 2 days from office or more than in a week. 2 p.m. to 11 p.m. will be your shift timing from Monday to Friday. Professional skills. You should have excellent written and verbal communication. You should have high level of attention to detail, strong negotiation, analytical problem solving skills. Require technical skills. Knowledge or quick to adapt to technical tools such as CRM, SAP, Salesforce, Jupyter. So these are a few technical skills which you should know. Okay, and excellent knowledge of Microsoft Office package, Word, Excel and Outlook. So guys, here you go. This is another hiring from Deloitte which is for associate analyst or analyst role. They are hiring for freshers and up to 2 years of experience. I have shared everything in detail about this hiring and this will be based on CV based hiring. I don't think so they will be taking any test for this. It will be a direct interview hiring. Okay, so prepare your CV nicely of the keywords which are mentioned in the job description so that your CV would have the good ATS score and your CV will get shortlisted. So prepare well. Now let's discuss about another hiring. It's from Cognizant. Cognizant is hiring for software engineer associate role and the location they are hiring for is Chennai. Okay, सो गाइस यहाँ पर हम थोड़ा एलिजिबिलिटी के बारे में बात कर लेते हैं. सो दे आर हियरिंग फॉर फ्रेशर्स. डिस्कस अबाउट द डिटेल्स अबाउट दिस hiring. Cognizant is hiring for the role of software engineer association. Responsibility of the candidates: be responsible for analyzing, designing, programming, and testing TreeZetto software programs and applications. Work closely with product designs, business analysis, system analysis, quality assurance, and customer support to assess, enhance, maintain, and support software solutions. Using strong logic and computer language skills combined with healthcare industry and practical knowledge, deliver and maintain applications and software प्रोवाइडिंग कॉम्प्रेहेंसिव बिजनेस सॉल्यूशंस टू द हेल्थ केयर इंडस्ट्री. तो आपको यहाँ पर रोल्स अभी पढ़ के समझ आ रहा होगा दैट इट इज़ फॉर इट्स मोर ऑन अ टेक्निकल साइड ऑफ रोल. ओके, क्योंकि सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर है तो पूरा टेक्निकल रोल रहने वाला है. रिक्वायरमेंट्स: सो प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेजेस में आपको आना चाहिए जावा, पाइथन, C++, जावास्क्रिप्ट और C#. ओके, you should have good understanding of software development and understanding of the structures, algorithms and object oriented programming. Okay, databases में आपको experience होना चाहिए SQL में, MySQL and then PLSQL, MongoDB or the other database management system. Web development, familiarity with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, Angular, ओके, .js, इन सब में आपको अच्छी नॉलेज होनी चाहिए. ठीक है, फॉर दिस रोल. बैक एंड टेक्नोलॉजी: नॉलेज ऑफ Node.js, Django, Spring Boot और .NET. वर्जन कंट्रोल: यू शुड हैव गुड एक्सपीरियंस विद Git, GitHub और GitLab. क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग: बेसिक अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ AWS, Azure और Google Cloud इज़ अ प्लस. अगर आपको कोई भी एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है बट यू स्टिल हैव सम नॉलेज ऑन दिस technologies and the skill set they have mentioned, then also you are eligible for this role. As I told you, the job location is Chennai. Salary is not disclosed. Based on your performance and your profile, they will be giving you the salary. Work days are 5 days, okay, a week, and the job type and timing is like it's a full-time role, okay, with Cognizant, and it's a hybrid role model with Cognizant. Okay guys, so ये guys ये काफ़ी अच्छा रोल है. It's a very good role, it's a full-time opportunity, and yes, resume बेस पे आपकी shortlisting होगी. तो make sure कि आप अपना CV अच्छे से प्रिपेयर करें.